love coming to SEMA because this is where we can meet our customers at their best. We've got the ability to answer questions, and we get to showcase brand new products to them every single time that they come in here.
It's always important to be here to meet with our customers, our fans, and also meet with our OEM suppliers, our aftermarket suppliers, and look at other future opportunities to define where we go in the future.
Coming back to SEMA, obviously to show off new products. We've got a brand new trophy truck behind us, showing our new shocks, brakes, race mufflers. We're still developing a lot of new things, so we're trying to show them off here at SEMA.
Curry comes back every year because we want to connect with our dealers. We want to connect with our customers. We want to see you, chat, talk about what's new.
I think the number one value that SEMA gives to our business is just a platform to introduce new products to the world. And so we get to obviously showcase it for our dealers, our distributors, but also enthusiasts in general, just to see what's new and what's next.